Hi there. Fear often grows inside us because of the painful things that happen to us, but it doesn't have to destroy you. When I had an accident, I feared to go on cycle on the road again, and that fear of being knocked over while cycling paralyzed me. It became a monster inside of me that controlled my actions. I was even fearful when a minibus pulled up next to a stop sign, and I stood there and I waited until it pulled away. And much later, two scriptures popped into my head, and one was that perfect love casts out fear, and the other one is, my people are destroyed because of lack of knowledge. And then I asked myself the question, why am I so scared to go ride my bicycle on the road? The answer, I was angry at the motorist for robbing me of my quality of life. And I created a fear, a monster of hate inside my heart. And that caused me to fear going out on the road. So the answer is, I have to love that person, but not his actions. Anyway, so I prayed and forgave the person and knocked me off my bicycle. That was the first step. Prayer, ask for forgiveness. Say, Lord, I set that person free. They've hurt me a lot, but I set them free. I choose to do that. That's the first step. The second step I did was, I mustered up some courage, some guts, just to go outside to ride my bicycle on the road for a bit. So that's the power of fear. It can paralyze you, or you can turn that into a tool if you learn how to use it. So you need to ask yourself a question. Why am I fearing certain things? And write it down. And then you ask yourself, what caused that? And turn that fear into fuel to grow and move forward. Like example, in daily life, many successful people, they did not succeed because they had no fear. No, they succeeded because they turned that fear into fuel. So every time that fear surfaces, after you've dealt with it, every time it surfaces, remind yourself that you are about to do something meaningful and powerful. So face it, deal with it, and let your life rise into greatness.